Naghanap ka ba ng low down payment house sa Cavite for as low as 10,000 monthly DP? Kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Tara.
Lang ito near SM Bukandala at few minutes drive lang ito going to Cavitex at Emilio Aguinaldo Highway. Very accessible nga ito sa lahat dahil malapit tayo sa schools, markets, worship areas at marami pang iba. At approximately 30 to 45 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila. We have minimum lot size of 50 square meters kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport. At almost fully covered na ito. Included na ang ating fence kaya naman gate na lang ang kulang. We have 94 square meters na floor area kaya naman may enough space tayo for living, dining, kitchen at service area. At provision na rin ito for 3 to 5 bedrooms. Dahil semi-finished na novo nito, kayo ang masusunod sa sukat at layout ng rooms. Ang kinagandahan pa nito ay lahat ng floors ay may toilet and bath. I-take advantage na natin ang introductory price. Imagine you can reserve this 3-story townhouse dito sa Imus, Cavite for as low as 5K reservation fee. Kaya naman send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!